Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send invoice on Wise transfer. You just need to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any steps. First things first, you just need to go to wise.com and or go to your mobile app, then enter to your account by logging in with the credentials of your accounts. Then go to home and here you can find three options: send, add money and request. Click on request button here and you will find create invoice. This is a new feature on Wise. Then click on start requesting money. Choose the currency you want to get paid in. Get local account details from account number to IBANs and more. Share with customers when you make a sale. Money goes straight to your Wise account. That's mean when someone sends money, the money will directly comes to your Wise account. Now you need to select the currency that you want to receive. Here is so many currencies available here. Choose yours one. I'm going to choose dollar. Then click on continue button, and here you need to set the purpose, that what's the purpose for using Wise. You just need to select one of these. The second one is most preferable, that receiving money for services. Then they will ask, is your business owned in part or entirely by any other businesses? Just click on my business is not owned by any other businesses. If so, then you can add the business information here and click on submit. But for now I'm going to click on the second one. Then confirm your SSN or ITIN. If you don't have SSN or ITIN, then click on that I'm not an US citizen. If you are an US citizen, then you must have the SSN or ITIN certificate, where you will find the SSN or ITIN number. And if you don't have any of this, you can go with these steps, that you will need to take photos of your ID and documents and your face, that you need to switch to your smartphone. Then you can get a link by email, or you can scan a QR code to get the verification process on your Wise app. Then complete the payment process. Then in this payment section you need to add the amount that you want to receive, that you demand. Then after completing all the details in the payment section required, then you will go through a verification and confirmation process, where you can check your details twice. And after completing all these steps, you can get a preview of the invoice, and then you can just send it to the recipient you want to send, that they have to send you the money, the amount of money that are included in the invoice. Also you can add a short note on the invoice of Wise, but remember the recipients must have the Wise account too. You can also share your invoice link through the email. And there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and if you have any question left yet, then drop them in the comments below. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.